Thank you for joining us at Exemplar Global. Today's discussion is general business skills. General business skills are outside of the audit in particular, so it's not the audit standard and it's not the soft skills, it's just around how businesses operate. It gives context to your audit. It's important that you have an understanding of the industry that you're auditing, of the organisation itself, of regulations that are relevant. This broader context gives you credibility as an auditor. For today, we're just going to look at governance. Governance is that concept of working on a business rather than in it. Any organisation exists for a given purpose. Governance is around ensuring an alignment of activity for everything that the organisation undertakes. Essentially, they are the guiding principles for all decisions that are made. When you're auditing, if you understand the values and the vision of an organisation, you know its purpose, you know what the strategic goals are, when you're auditing activity at a tactical level, you will have a much better view of whether or not these are fulfilling the purpose of the organisation. There is a very well publicised example of how a tactic has not aligned with stated values for a vehicle manufacturer. The vehicle manufacturer had an excellent reputation for trust. It had a loyal following. They declared in amongst their values responsibility and honesty. And yet it turned out that they had created a device which altered the emission levels when being tested by the EPA or Environmental Protection Authority. The net result was around 12 million vehicles were recalled. There was a massive loss of trust. It was very difficult for the organisation to come back from that. This is a great example of how tactics within an organisation may be very effective in doing what they've set out to do, but are completely misaligned with the values and vision the organisation has stated. When considering governance, it doesn't need to be earth-shattering and result in a 12 million vehicle recall. Sometimes it's more subtle. How about when you're auditing the non-conforming product register? Perhaps the organisation has stated a value of integrity, but you can see where decisions are being made to release product that's inferior. Technically, this may be permitted under the organisation's processes. However, does this contradict that stated value? Is this something that you should raise or could raise with the organisation? Business acumen covers a lot of areas. There's an excellent article written by Andy Nichols, which you will find in the Auditor online, an Exemplar Global publication. If you would like to know more about how Exemplar Global can help you develop your broader business skills and support you throughout your career as an auditor, contact us at exemplarglobal.org and do join the Exemplar Link community on exemplarlink.org.